It's all about my post for wishing my son today a happy birthday in the morning. I want to clear the air. And we all know that I'm an artist. And anything I post on my page is a message out there. As an artist, whatever I post is an artistic impression. Yes, I always try to send a message out there as a mother. So whatever I posted today was an artistic impression, but I'm not trying to portray porn on my page. I can't do porn with my son. I even bath always with my son. He's my son. I bath him. We bath in the bathhouse always. So, but what I want to say is, I was trying to send a message to kids and children, even grown-up people who don't regard their parents, especially their mothers. Some people will see their parent out there mad, naked, and because they are naked, they'll run away and they won't take care of their parents, they won't clothe them. So what I was saying is, no matter how naked full you see your parent, don't run away from them. Get close to them and clothe them. That was what I was trying to say. Nakedness doesn't mean the person is topless or whatever. Someone can expose someone and that means the person is naked. So that was what I was trying to send out there. Because I'm an artist. So it was an artistic impression I was posting out there. But not porn. But all the same, I want to say that I'm so sorry if I hate or anyone got hate with my post this morning. And also want you to know that it wasn't bad intention. I was just trying to send a message out there. That's all. I'm out here with